Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, you're going to learn how you can change the background, the color theme for your workspace on Notion really quickly. So guys, if you're curious, make sure you drop a like, and now let's dive into this. So head over to your Notion account, be it via the web application or mobile app. As you can see, I'm accessing Notion through the web application via Google Chrome. So make sure that you're logged in with your associated account. After that, select your workspace in the top left corner by clicking on your username or that arrow down icon here, and select your workspace from that list below. And here to the right, you will see the settings. So you may enter your workspace settings by clicking on it. And here to the left, simply head over to the preferences of the given workspace. And here at the top, you will see the appearance. So what you want to do, guys, you may customize your appearance by clicking on that arrow down icon here. As you can see, the system setting is currently at the default setting for me, but I can switch to light, as you can see, or dark, as you can see, and yeah, apply the given appearance in the background. And that's how it works, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.